Welcome to Tool Tech Geek. I want to show you two multi-tools for electrical applications. This one I like very much. It's a Workpro brand and I got from Amazon. It has a wire strippers, needle nose pliers, and many other functions, including crimpers. And this can work a little bit to hold nuts. And then here is like a cutting section. So this one is pretty solid. This other one is from AliExpress and it has a folding feature which makes it slightly smaller but not super small. So, and this is made of flat plates and also has lots of functions. It was very inexpensive. The price, it can change because they have all this type of promotions, but it has a bit of a plier section. I think this is for split rings, wire strippers. There's a blade. There's these wrenches. This is to cut the insulation of a large wire. Has a blade and a sort of a wheel here, and maybe even other functions that I don't know about. Here you have these spaces that kind of form like a cutting sort of section. This is a bit of a lock. So this is very cheap. I don't know if for very professional work you want to use such inexpensive tools, but for one-offs this is good enough for me, especially this one I use in small home repairs. It's kind of the Harbor Freight theory where you don't want to spend a lot of money on tools that you're going to use occasionally. And this seems good enough for the job. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.